You probably wanted to download a YouTube video to your laptop or computer, but didn't know how to do it without an application. This video will show you a simple and fast way to save YouTube videos step by step. It works on most computers and only takes a few seconds. Watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your YouTube account here, then click on your profile icon in the top right. Then go to YouTube Studio here. Then go to Content. Here you get to choose which video you wanna download. You're just gonna choose which one, then these three dots are going to be appearing here. You're just gonna click on them, then click on download. And this is how you can download your own videos that you have uploaded on YouTube. If you think this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.